Ecology is the scientific study of the interactions between organisms and their environment. It encompasses a wide range of topics, including the distribution and abundance of organisms, the structure and function of ecosystems, and the flow of energy and nutrients through ecological systems. Ecology seeks to understand the relationships between living organisms and their physical and biological surroundings, as well as the processes that shape ecological patterns and dynamics. Here's how ecology studies interactions between organisms and their environment. Study of organism-environment interactions. Ecology examines how organisms interact with their abiotic, non-living, and biotic, living, environment. Abiotic factors such as temperature, rainfall, soil composition, and sunlight influence the distribution and behavior of organisms, while biotic factors such as predation, competition, symbiosis, and disease impact population dynamics and community structure. Levels of ecological organization. Ecology operates at multiple levels of organization, ranging from individual organisms to entire ecosystems. At the individual level, ecologists study physiological adaptations and behavioral responses that enable organisms to survive and reproduce in their environment. At higher levels, ecologists investigate population dynamics, community interactions, and ecosystem processes that shape the distribution and abundance of organisms. Ecosystem structure and function. Ecology examines the structure and function of ecosystems, which are complex networks of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Ecosystem structure refers to the composition and organization of biological communities and their physical surroundings, while ecosystem function refers to the processes and interactions that regulate energy flow, nutrient cycling, and productivity within ecosystems. Energy flow and nutrient cycling. Ecology investigates the flow of energy and cycling of nutrients through ecological systems. Energy enters ecosystems through sunlight and is captured by photosynthetic organisms such as plants, which convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. This energy is then transferred through food webs as organisms consume and are consumed by other organisms. Nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus are recycled within ecosystems through processes such as decomposition, nutrient uptake by plants, and nutrient release by decomposers. Ecological patterns and processes. Ecology seeks to identify and understand ecological patterns and processes that occur across different spatial and temporal scales. These patterns include species distributions, biodiversity gradients, and ecological succession, while processes include succession, colonization, extinction, and adaptation. By studying these patterns and processes, ecologists can gain insights into the dynamics of ecosystems and predict how they may respond to environmental changes. Applied ecology and conservation. Ecology has important practical applications for environmental management, conservation, and sustainability. Applied ecologists use ecological principles and methods to address pressing environmental issues such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and invasive species. Conservation ecologists work to protect and restore ecosystems and biodiversity through strategies such as habitat conservation, species reintroduction, and ecosystem restoration. In summary, ecology is the scientific study of the interactions between organisms and their environment. By investigating organism-environment interactions, ecological levels of organization, ecosystem structure and function, energy flow and nutrient cycling, ecological patterns and processes, and applied ecology and conservation, ecologists gain insights into the complex dynamics of ecological systems and contribute to efforts to sustainably manage and conserve Earth's biodiversity and natural resources.